In this video, I will show you the easiest way to convert a PDF into a JPEG image. Now this is really useful if you want to save pages from a PDF as pictures, upload them somewhere as images, or share them more easily. And make sure you do watch this until the very end so you don't miss any of the important steps. And before we do begin, please give this video a like, drop a comment below if it helped you out, and subscribe for more quick and simple tech tutorials. So here we are on my desktop. You can see I've got this PDF here, which when I open it, you can see it's got a ton of different images and things like that. Now there is actually a website we can use to convert this to a JPEG. So what you want to do is open up a new internet browser. Now the website we're going to use is called cloudconvert.com. There are a number of different websites, but this is the one I personally prefer to use. So what you want to do is come across to cloudconvert.com/pdf-to-jpg. Now once you've done that, you'll be on the website. It's going to look like this. And from here, you want to click onto the red select file button. What that's going to do is open up your computer's file explorer, which you can use to, of course, upload your PDF. So here's ours here, and we're just going to double click to upload this. Now, once you've done that, as you can see on the right hand side, it's going to convert it from PDF to a JPEG. If you click onto this box, you do have some other options you can convert to as well. But of course, we're looking to convert this to a JPEG. So once that's done, what you can do is come and click the convert button at the bottom. And basically this is going to get to work now and start converting this from a PDF to a JPEG. So as you can see, it's now finished. What we can do is click the download button here, which is going to download this onto our PC or laptop. You can see when we open this up, we now have our PDF converted, and we've got, because it was a full page PDF, we've got each page converted to a different JPEG image, as you can see. So that is how to convert PDF to JPEG. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.